In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on AvaTrade. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to avaoptions.avatrade.com, and this is basically a separate platform from AvaTrade for trading options, and it's called Ava Options. Now, in here, you then have to either log into your account if you have one already, or click on the sign up button and actually create your account, which is very easy and quick. And after that, click on the login button. Whenever you type in your credentials over here, it's going to basically connect you to their server over here. It's going to get your open positions, margins, and settings, and after that's done, you'll be able to access the platform where you can then trade options on AvaTrade. So there we go. As you can see, this is the platform. Here on the left hand side, you can access a bunch of different things. You can open a real account, you can trade, you can do whatever you want. And then up here on the right hand side is where you can go ahead and buy or sell. And of course, for this, you'll have to continue the registration. So for me, I just have a demo account over here. But of course, whenever you continue and complete your registration process, you'll be able to go ahead and start trading options on AvaTrade. Okay, so that's how easy it is to actually trade options. Just open the platform and then you can go ahead and get started after you set up your account on here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.